Hi there, my name is Alex, and in this video I'll talk about my internship experience at Boyum IT. And firstly, Boyum IT is a company that offers modules for ERP systems, specifically SAP Business One. An ERP system is a software that brings together different business processes, and by business processes I mean stuff like production, manufacturing, sales, HR, even every process that exists within a business. Uh, an ERP system brings it in one central database. And what Boyum does is basically offering modules, because all the companies out there, they're very different, they are very unique, and they have their own specific needs. And for example, a company is very manufacturing heavy, other is not. And a company that needs more manufacturing stuff, technologies, operations, the stuff that is in the ERP system, that is in SAP Business One, for example, is just not enough for them. Therefore, they have to buy a module that offers them many more functionalities, and Boyum sells this. In a nutshell, an ERP system is a phone, and Boyum is a Play Store where you can buy different applications. Um, this was an introduction about the company. Now I want to talk about my internship experience there. Um, Firstly, the first few days that I started my internship, I just got an introduction about what the company is doing, basically the introduction I just gave you, and also met everyone in the company, in the Danish office at least. And then I was given an assignment by my supervisor. The purpose of this assignment was to start getting familiar with the technologies that the company is using. And I can tell you right away that the company is is just a Microsoft house. They are using technologies as .NET, C Sharp, Blazor, WinForms, OData, Azure for cloud. So if Microsoft has something, then Boyum uses it. And yeah, my assignment was a software that was meant to be used internally, but I have developed this app, which was both front end, back end, database, cloud. Yeah, was quite a lot. But I was always given the help of the supervisors, and I could ask basically any people there, any developer in the company, hey, do you have time to help me? And they were always there to help me, because everyone was having their own. They had their reserve time in the sprint, a PBI called Help Alex. So it wasn't like I was distracting them in any way. And I have to tell you that Boyum has started its cloud journey. So all those products, softwares that they are used to sell, they were on premise, which means that the software used to run on a local server. Now it is not the case. Boyum thinks ahead, and because cloud is the future, Boyum wants to start building cloud apps. In order to build a lot of cloud apps, Boyum decided that they need a framework. So the applications behave the same, look the same, and feel the same. Um, and I started working on a application, on a cloud application MVP. It was called Workflow, and basically the purpose was to create an application that would show the stakeholders that it is possible to create a cloud application and that it works fine. And I was because my interest was mainly front end, I was given more or less front end tasks there, and it was a success. We got an MVP product, and now uh, Boyum stopped working on on that MVP application and focused on building a framework. So the framework would consist of many small teams, for example, backend team, and the backend, I can tell you this, it's only microservices, and they expose those services using a REST API, using OData, which is another Microsoft technology. Another example of a team is design system team. I'm part of a design system team, and we're building a component library um, that has uh, that follows our design system and our design principles. So a button on all of our application, it looks the same. A drop down looks the same, feels the same. The notifications appear the same. You got my point. And there's a lot of work ahead for Boyum. The plan is not short term. We're talking long term, 5 years to build the framework and then really start in developing those applications. But yeah, after my internship, I was given the opportunity to stay there and work as a student worker. In as much as the company liked me, and I liked my time there very much. And uh, I can tell you that Boyum has really nice people there. The company really cares about how people feel if they like the stuff that they are doing, not only money, if you know what I mean. And this is not a cliche. This is really the case with Boyum. And uh, yeah, if you want to apply to work at to do your internship, I'm sorry, to do your internship at Boyum, then I have to warn you about something. I can tell you right away, the managers there, they don't really care about your grades. They don't really care how you do at the university in general. One thing that is crucial for them is that you have passion for what you are doing, that you like the this entire the programming and software engineering. If you are also a good team member, and yeah, if you don't feel like you like what you're learning right now at the university, probably you shouldn't apply at Boehm. But if you just it doesn't matter how good you are, but if you really like what you're doing, just go ahead, apply for Boehm. Good luck with that. I hope we'll see you there. Bye.